Hey Team Blossom, welcome back. It's Blossoming Jasmine, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 dead or alive iconic bedazzlers who have these fashion lines and just phenomenal clothing and accessories. So let's get straight into it. And these are in no particular order, but first up, we're going to talk about Yosef Al Jazmi. And he makes beaded and embroidered dresses, that is couture, bridal, casual, ready to wear designs, and offers accessories for, this is all according to his website. He offers accessories for young women with modern, dynamic lifestyles. So I love his designs. We see them on all of our favorite celebrities, not only in America, but around the world. So I absolutely love and adore all of his products. To me, he is definitely an icon and one of my top 5 dead or alive. All right. So as we can see, these are some of his pieces. Next up on the list is Philip Plein, and he is known as the King of Bling. I love him, and I feel like I first really saw his clothing worn a lot um, when I started to follow Courtney Adeleye, who is the founder of The Main Choice Hair Solutions. And I love his bling outfits. I love all of his couture. I love his fashion shows. He has hip hop artists, some of the biggest hip hop artists perform at his fashion shows, which I think is super dope. He also offers a Tony Montana Scarface edition for his clothing line, which is definitely blinged out and, of course, super um, iconic. I'm just going to stick with that word. Definitely iconic. I think that this man is phenomenal, and I love his presentation and I love his fashion sense. I also saw Bernie Burgos wear his clothing. I went to Miami. I went into some little strip boutique on the beach, and they had his clothing. These are some of his jackets. Look at the embroidery. That is just gorgeous. All right, so next up is Charbel Zoe, and I love him. I've seen his clothes on Nicki Minaj, Britney Spears, J Lo. You got Mariah Carey wearing his clothes. Keisha Kaur, she wears his dresses all the time, and I just think that he offers beautiful custom pieces. And to me, they are absolutely breathtaking. So, in my book, of course, he definitely goes down as one of my top 5 dead or alive. Next up is Judith Lieber, and bless her soul, she did recently pass away. I don't think it was that. I don't think it was more than a few years ago. But she has custom luxury handbags and clutches that are encrusted in luxe Austrian crystals, and her bags range from $3,000 upward. She has crystal novelty bags. You've seen this bag in Sex and the City. At the wedding, the little girl had this bag in the wedding. You see it all the time. I love all of her purses. They are very, I would say, realistic and absolutely breathtaking. Judith Lieberg to me is definitely an icon, and I'd say one of my current favorite bags is the money bag. That stack of 10,000, hands down, is my favorite right now. But I can't wait to, in the future, have just a collection of her bags. And that's definitely one of my life aspirations, is to definitely have my own collection. I know that the Kardashians have a collection of her bags. I'm sure that, a lot of your favorite glamour girls have collections of her bags as well. So I'm going to include in the top five dead or alive a bonus person, which is an up and coming star. And that person I actually met in person at a Kentucky Derby, and her name is Chanel, and her business is called Gaudy Spot. She has just gorgeous bags, and I think that they are a just a great quality. If you don't want to spend $4,000 on a Judith Liebert bag, you can definitely go to Gaudy Spot and get just a higher quality, luxury product that will range you. I think they're like $200 to $500. I love her version of the money bag, and I've also seen Bling Up, who's also a bling artist. She offers a version of the bag, but I really like the Gaudy bag. You can see the difference in the quality, and that's why I like Gaudy Spot, because I really feel like she goes above and beyond when it goes to her custom items. So definitely support Buy Black, and definitely support this lovely designer, and we're going to be working together in the near future. So that is my bonus upcoming star. And then, oh, and remember to follow her at Goldie Spot. So the last person is the Blondes. And I love the Blondes because to me, they offer just breathtaking, it's just amazing, these gorgeous couture outfits. You've seen them on Nicki Minaj, Ariana Grande, many of our, American favorite stars, and they've really made some iconic outfits that you've definitely seen before. One of my favorite iconic outfits by them is the Rihanna studded outfit. And to me, it's just absolutely breathtaking. So these are my top five, dead or alive. Leave in the comments what you think are your top five, dead or alive. I hope that some people who know of, generations, years ago, if they can comment. But I love to hear from you. See you soon. Love you lots. Blossom and Jasmine.